Okay, so next question says this: what is the meaning of strong bronze lowry acid? Again, explain the acid bit, explain the strong bit. Acid is a proton donor, so it's a proton donor. And strong means what? Strong means which fully ionizes in an aqueous solution. Fully ionizes in aqueous solution. That's it. Next, write the equation to show the acid-base behavior of sulfuric acid with water. Include state symbols. How does sulfuric acid react with water? Well, we already know sulfuric acid is a dibasic acid or a diprotic acid, so it undergoes two dissociations. One is the strong dissociation and one is the weak dissociation. And because he's just asked us about the, just a single, write an equation, not two equations, so we just talk about the first dissociation, which is what? It donates, it's a proton donor. It's a quick dissociation, the first one. The second one is a reversible reaction, effectively. But we just talk about the first proton donor bit, right? So it's a proton donor, donates a proton, gives you HSO4 minus, and you're going to end up with H3O plus right here because it got H plus, so it's now H3O plus, and this lost a proton, so now it's relatively negatively charged. And what are the state symbols? This is aqueous, this is liquid, this is aqueous, and this is obviously aqueous. That's it, a free marks whatsoever. You would also said liquid here. It doesn't really matter. If with H2SO4 it doesn't matter, but it's better to write aqueous in my opinion. Next, in an aqueous solution, explain the meaning of weak bronze-red lowry acid. Acid is what? A proton donor. A proton donor. And weak means what? Which partially ionizes in an aqueous solution. Which partially ionizes in aqueous solution. And please, if you're a PSN and Excel student or AQA, whatever board you're following, please know, other than Cambridge, they all have now changed their definition to only very slightly ionizes in an aqueous solution, which is the better definition, but Cambridge decides to be old. Bingo jingo, that's why. They're still sticking to this. Write an equation to show the behavior of ammonium ion in water. Include state symbol. So ammonium ion reacting with water, and again, ammonium ion, we know it's slightly acidic. And so what would happen? It would be a proton donor. It's going to act like an acid. It's a proton donor. It has one extra H plus ion, right? So it's going to form NH3 now because it donated a proton. The positive charge goes, right? H plus goes, and so you're just left with NH3, and H2O becomes H3O plus, and that's it. So this is aqueous, this is liquid, this is obviously a gas. You could have also written aqueous here, and to be honest, if you were to ask me, I'd prefer writing aqueous here. And then this is aqueous. Examiner gives both options for NH3 because it's formed inside water, right? So gas would bubble inside water, would be slightly, it would dissolve as well, right? And that's it. 2018 set over.